Hello, here I have one exciter PLL FM RVR model PTX 30 UHT, serial number 1001656. For this example I have a frequency 94.1 and the power maximum is 40 watt. You see the element 100 watt and then 40 watts output power maximum. Here is the front panel from RVR PTX 30 UHT. This is audio section, mono, stereo, the bar of modulation, the frequency is digital, and the power 40 watts. Okay.